Good morning. We're gonna make some 7-grain cereal, which is actually 8-grain, but hot cereal is tasty. You can do whatever you want. We've done it a lot of different ways. There's some things that are not in here that we normally do, like rice. And I don't know what else. Sometimes we do teff or other things. But we have, in this one, we have millet, spelt, amaranth, then you can kind of see it, white, no, this is red wheat, buckwheat, dent corn, popcorn is tasty, popcorn's kind of sweeter, white wheat, soft white, no, just white, hard white, and black barley. So this should make a pretty thing. We're going to take this inside and we're going to grind it, and we'll see you there. So, one thing I visit on, I'm going to pull this or unscrew this a bit. I might have to fiddle with it to see where it's at on coarseness, but the hopper's shut. I'm gonna pour in all the grains. I love seeing all the different grains. It's so pretty. I like that, but it will cook a little faster if it has a little less grit to it. So I just cranked it down just a little bit. Coffee cup in the way. There you go. There it is. And this is, let's hope it goes in. Well, I'm gonna stir it up better actually. I forgot I meant to do that. We haven't used the black barley in this yet, so I'm hoping that we really like that. We do like barley, but the black is something we haven't experimented with a whole lot. Oh, that just looks so pretty now that it's all different colors.
Looks kind of like chicken feed.
Mother, okay, let me. Mom.
Yes, ma'am. Oh yeah, he went and milked with us and everything.
Where is it?
No, I do not.
We're gonna go down. Should we go down to the corner right now?
So will you put this in the jar so that I can use it?
That would be fine.
Okay, let's.
So we're at not 2 cups. So I'm gonna do 3 cups. Oop. I'm gonna spill some. It's not exact. I don't know why I'm trying to get it exact. That's fine. Okay, so
you have to have everything be precise measurements all the time.
I'm really, that's actually kind of blasphemy, gooey. So I have a pressure cooker. This is basically like the analog version of your Instant Pot, so you can use your Instant Pot. But almost 3 cups of this, and I'm gonna get some water. Okay, so that was that. I'm gonna put in 9 cups of hot water because if you put in hot, you've got it prepped and ready to be done faster, you know? So the ratio is 1 to 3. This is gonna go on the stove. It's gonna get to pressure and I'll hold it there for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll shut it off and let it naturally depressurize. It's super dark over there, so I'll be back.
I was going to go edit my video, and guess what I saw?
Chocolate.
1,600 subscribers.
I did it.
Yeah,
I got
you
it.
did it. You
That's
did
very
it.
good.
Mom and I have been watching it go up and down, up and down, up and down. We just
It
talked
liked
about
the
it
90s
yesterday.
for a long time.
Yeah.
1590s. Good. That's exciting.
Cereal.
It's porridge. You like porridge?
Can I see? It's
Don't scrape the bottom. I kind of toasted it.
Porridge. How long did you do it? Oatmeal.
Just a couple minutes, and then I let it sit for a while to whatever.
To see if Bob had to oatmeal porridge.
You can see.
Oatmeal and porridge is the same thing. Yes, sir?
Well, they're both porridges, but they're both different flavors. Hiya.
Do I just put it?
No, just wait. Oops. Oh, it's not. It's just the bottom stuck a little bit. I should have stirred it better before I turned it on. What's the matter? Oh, don't run. Did you smack something when you were running?
He stubbed his toe.
Yeah. A teeny bit of salt. You can dump your sugar on there.
All of it?
Yeah. Do you have butter though? Yeah.
No. I didn't think all of it. Said I don't know. I don't know what he said. He said,
He said, I don't know. I might find out later.
Said I might find out. Hey, I want some sugar in mine.
I can't get that out. Use your spoon and scrape it out. Okay, we need butter.
I want more.
You need more?
It's good.
I'm glad. I'm gonna cut your way. I like the barley added. Do you think that's good? I think it makes it creamy.
It does. I'll be back. I need.
Do you want the same as last time? Do you need more, Thomas?
Yep. I do not want. I left it off for you. So.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Your brother's gonna bring some sugar. I buttered it, but I did not salt it. Do you want salt, Tom?
Yes.
It makes a better flavor.
I know.
You gotta stir it up good.
I'm gonna try it without salt this time.
Okay, I'm gonna close out the video.
I'm gonna try it. Did I try it with salt?
Yeah, it had salt both times. But without salt, it just tastes plain. You need some salt. Okay, so that's the end. Pretty easy to make a nice 7-grain cereal. We like it a little bit coarse. You could make flour and cook it up.
Salt. We like it with salt and butter.
Yes, sir.
And we like to put porridge in it. And we like to put oats in it.
Yeah, we do. And it doesn't have oats in it today.
And we don't have to put oats in it sometimes.
Sometimes we do, sometimes we don't, right?
But we don't do it some days.
Do you remember what's new in this one?
Barley.
Black barley.
I know.
Okay.
I see the black barley.
So when there's leftovers, and there will be today because several people had
And
already
I
eaten.
like barley. So the butter is really good. Look, that's butter.
I like butter. When there's leftovers, like today will be, I will dump some in bread. There's a lot of recipes out that you can find.
Bread. Tomorrow I'm gonna eat some.
Well, I'll make a new hot tomorrow. It's good. There's a lot of recipes out there that you can use that are like leftover oatmeal breads. But if you're confident in making bread, and you know how you like the feel you like, the hydration you like, that sort of thing, you don't need a recipe. You can just dump what you want of it in there. And then just still go for the same
Don't reach over plate.
elasticity and all of that.
Why
when you
did
make bread.
that taste plain?
Because
We still put salt in it.
it has salt and butter, but there's no sweetener in there.
Why?
Because we didn't put any in.
Could you put sweetener in it?
Sim, can you get him some sugar, please?
Sorry.
Also, like leftover oatmeal muffins. That's really good in there too. Which there's gonna be a decent amount left, I think. But Judah, have you eaten breakfast yet?
Yeah,
Are you gonna eat some of this?
probably.
You might quickly get a spoon. You want butter, salt, and sweetener on it probably. Yeah, so I might make some muffins or some bread, and if I do, I might video it. I don't know.
Ready?
My days have been a little bit crazy lately. So,
Ready? On my stand. Wrong.
you should have just gotten the sugar bucket, you know, the square bucket instead of this. But thank you for serving size sugars, I guess. So, I don't know. I feel like I forgot how to video, but here we are. And it got 0 thumbs up, 1 thumbs up, or 2. 1 thumbs up.
And pour it with sugar in it. It's sweet. If we don't want to put sugar in it, only butter and salt, that'll taste plain. But
You could still do it. Another thing would be you could make it cheesy, like cheesy grits. Use this instead of grits. Or you could put roast on it with a little bit of gravy.
yep, with a little bit of gravy.
Yeah, if you cook this in broth and you top it with cheese.
No, not this was broth.
Not the pot, no, but the porridge.
That'd be yuck.
You could make it savory and it would be delicious.
That'd be yuck if we made the pot into savory.
Yeah, it'd be kind of hard to eat, wouldn't it?
I would.
Yeah.
I would break out all your teeth. Then you'll. Not if we cooked it right.
Okay, bye.
Wait, I'm gonna say bye. Bye. Love you.
Love you too. Are you done?
Yep. I'm done.